All right, welcome back. It is the DMV Weave Doctor, and today, honey, we're doing an extreme alopecia hair loss transformation. Okay, now we are going to part her hair, and even though it is very sparse, in a lot of cases you can still install wigs with having severe and extreme case of alopecia. However, that's why we now offer trichology treatments, because with those hair, we're scalp and hair loss specialists for hair restoration. So, so that it does not get to this degree, because sometimes when it's at this level of loss has been, has occurred on the individual, then they will have to deal with more shifting in some of their wigs before, and also with their weave installs if they suggest to get weaves. Even though when the hair is this thin, we generally do not suggest clients to get weaves. It's just not a great idea at all. You're probably going to be experiencing more hair loss, more excessive braiding from synthetic hair add-ons, and so it's just not really the best option. And also, it's just a lot of additional unnecessary tension right at the scalp. So, and then for another thing, we're going to be using the Weave Buddy today. And that system is great for those who do not want to use glue. And it really has been helping her out. We probably have done like 2 to 3 installs on her. Prior to that, it was doing a lot more shifting. But with this buddy system, it pretty much keeps it in place. The only thing that I would say is that with this system, it has to be replaced more often. So you're going to have to, and it's generally an additional cost associated with your weave install. So your stylist generally is going to cost you more money to install this, and then also you will have to pay as a client to get this removed more often. You will not be able to go as long as if you would just a regular glued in or sewn down weave or wig with the Got2b gel. Okay, so now we already sewed it down. Now we are about to apply her unit. We still have a little bit more work to do. We're using Got2b gel because, again, she does not want any glue. And with this system, honey, once we tack it, once we tack down these edges, okay, all the games are going to be over. Okay, the hair loss game, child. The hair loss game has just transformed over the years. You do not have to use all that nasty glue. Some of that glue and some of the solvents a lot of people are allergic to. Also, it's very time consuming to remove all that excess glue. So, honey, if you can go glueless, okay, go glueless. Now we are sewing down. We sewed down the edges, and now we're cutting the lace. And she got, I believe this is transparent lace, and it's partially a crochet unit. The other part is with the lace front. The actual twist work, handmade and hand created. So in this generally her units I think last about like a year and a half, and she may have to replace the front part, because anytime with a lot of frontals you're doing a lot of excessive manipulation, you're doing a lot of hardcore rolling. Child, you trying to act like this your scalp? Baby, if you trying to act like this your scalp, then you probably getting flat twist, cornrows, get a single twist in the front, baby. You're going to have to replace that front too, okay? Because it wasn't meant for all these things that we be trying to get. So now we putting on that Got2b gel. And, it's a process. We have to use the air dryer on a warm to, high setting, just to get everything sealed. Now we're doing a little baby hair, boop, boop, swoop, swoop. And after that, we're going to put on some Sanex strips or some wrapping strips to tie down her edges. And, this is just going to preserve, it's going to help it lay more flatter. It's going to get everything kind of locked in. Okay, I know a lot of people don't like to do baby hair, but when you do baby hair, it actually adds to the longevity of your install. A lot of people don't know that, because these baby hairs is protection. Okay, a lot of times you're using gel or spritz, and it's just acting as additional barrier to stop it, from the lace from being, being revealed to excess water and steam. Okay, and bop, big girl, look what the Weave Doctor did. Come on down to the Weave Doctor book now. We ship worldwide.